Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to navigate teams using the navigation pane on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will see under activity any recent activity that has gone on within your teams. You can see some of these are more recent than others. You also have the chat feature. This chat feature will appear once you have chatted in one of your team meetings or just in one of the teams. They will appear here. So instead of having to go back through each one of your teams, you could just quickly look through here. Files will also be available if there has been any that have been shared on one of your teams or meetings. Meeting notes as well. And there's also a whiteboard available under this chat feature. And we'll see it appear here. Okay, so moving on, the next icon is Teams. Here you will see all the teams that you have created, are a part of, or been invited to. Your Assignments tab will have all the classes that you're currently taking and possibly have assignments in. So only one of my teams has been denoted as class, and it's the Spanish tutoring team. When you click on it, in your case, you may have more than just one. But once you select one, click Next, and your assignments will be here. So you don't actually have to go to Teams, find your team, and look for assignments. You can just click on the Assignments tab, click on the team, and it will take you to this assignment page. As you see, I have not created any assignments for the Spanish tutoring team. Therefore, there are none in this icon. However, if you're, let's say for example, the president of a club, you can choose to create a team. You can choose to create an assignment for your team, and it will appear here. Calendar. This is the same calendar as all your other calendars available to you through Microsoft Office. So the calendar that you see on your Microsoft Outlook mail is the same one as this. The next tab is Calls. Here you will see all your contacts that can be either web contacts or contacts specifically for different groups that you're a part of. As you can see, if I were to click this, my Spanish tutoring contacts would appear here. So these are the people that are in the same group as me. So I could choose to call someone using the telephone, and it would dial their number. I'm doing air quotes over here. You could dial them, and it would be like a phone call over the web. You can choose to make a video call by clicking the video button here. You can also add more people or delete people from your list. Finally, these are files that are also available to you on your OneDrive. Over here, you can see the location of where this file is. It is a part of the Tutoring Center's general team. While over here, you can see that a colleague of mine added this file from her OneDrive. You can see this one came from my file, my OneDrive. So it can be found both on my OneDrive and on my team's files. Here, you can decide to add more apps to your pane. You could add OneNote, the education class notebook, or you can search for more apps. Some of these apps are free and some of them you will have to pay for. So please look carefully to see if there are free apps. You can also find more apps by clicking this button. And these are all the available apps to us on the App Store. But remember, as I mentioned previously, some of them are free and some are not. The Help button. Here you can choose the reason that you need help. You can choose to go to a training provided by Microsoft Teams. You can learn about new features, suggest a feature, and different topics that you can go to here. So if the training that we are providing to you is not sufficient, maybe you need to find answers to something we did not cover, you can always come to this button. Finally, this button is the Download Mobile App button. Once you click this, you can download the app for your mobile, but again, the app is available to you on your App Store or Google Play Store for download.